Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D3, chapter number 3, exercise 3B, that is about solving simultaneous linear inequalities. In this lesson, I will solve question number 5 that says solve the following inequalities and show the solution on the number line. So, before going to the solution on the number line, we have to solve the inequalities. The first question is minus 4 is less than equal to 2x is less than equal to 3x minus 2. First of all, divide the given expression in two parts and solve them separately. Minus 4 is less than equal to 2x, and here x is multiplied by 2. Shift this 2 to other side. Minus 4 upon 2 is less than equal to x, or minus 2 is less than equal to x, or x is greater than equal to minus 2. And the second part is 2x is less than equal to 3x minus 2. Shift the like terms and variable terms on the left hand side. 2x minus 3x is less than equal to minus 2, and minus x is less than equal to minus 2. Now I need to get value of the variable, and variable has a minus sign. When I will be multiplying this inequality by minus sign to make my variable positive, I have to reverse the direction of inequality as well. So x will take the form. So x is greater than equal to minus 2 and x is greater than equal to positive 2. So we are getting two solutions. X is greater than equal to minus 2 and x is greater than equal to positive 2. So I have to mark the solution on the number line. So one of the solution is starting from minus 2, and I need the values of x which are greater than and equal to. I'll start my solution from minus 2 and I'll move towards the larger values of minus 2. So my solution or number line will start from this point. And the second one is that x is greater than equal to 2. This is the place where for the solution of the second inequality, that x is greater than equal to 2, and I have to mark the fill dot because this is the greater than equal to condition. Now we can see that the part of the number lines which are beginning after 2, that is overlapped by both of the inequalities. So the solution for this question will be x greater than equal to 2. I hope you are clear about this situation. Let's move to the next part of the question that says that 1 minus x is less than minus 2 and minus 2 is less than equal to 3 minus x. First, divide given expression in two parts and solve them separately. 1 minus x is less than minus 2 and minus 2 is less than equal to 3 minus x. So this 1 is extra, shift it to other side. Minus x is less than minus 2 minus 1 minus x is less than minus 3. Now in order to get value of x, I need to make variable positive. X has the negative sign with that, and when I will be multiplying this inequality by minus sign to make the variable positive, I have to reverse the direction of inequality as well. So x is greater than 3. Coming to the second part, minus 2, shift this minus 3 to other side. Minus 2 minus 3 is less than equal to minus x, and minus 5 is less than equal to minus x. Again, the variable has the negative sign with that. In order to make the variable positive, I have to multiply both sides of inequality by minus sign, and when I'm multiplying both sides of inequality by minus sign, I have to reverse the direction of inequality as well. So as we have the minus sign on both sides, so minus sign will be cancelled, and this will take the form x less than equal to 5. So I have to write range values of x, that x is greater than 3 but less than equal to 5. So for this question, the solution or the values of x which will satisfy both the inequalities will begin after 3 and end at 5. So possible values of x can be 4 and 5. Let's show the solution on the number line. We need the values for this portion. We have to start the number line from x equals to 3, and we need the greater values of x. So we will be moving towards right hand side. So this is the place for x equals to 3, and I'll be moving towards this side. This is, and I have to mark the hollow dot because this is just greater than condition. And for the next part, x is less than equal to 5, I have to start the solution from this point, and I have to mark the filled dot, and I need the values of x less than 5. So I will be moving from this point towards the left hand side. So the number line will take the form, this form for this situation. Now if we look at the diagram, we can see that this portion is overlapped by both the inequalities. So the values or range values of x which will satisfy both the inequalities will be between 3 and 5. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, and that says 3x minus 3 is less than x minus 9 is less than 2x. First of all, divide the inequality in two parts and solve them separately. 3x minus 3 is less than x minus 9, and x minus 9 is less than 2x. Shift like terms on same side. 3x minus x is less than minus 9 plus 3. This will give me 2x is less than minus 6, and this 2 is multiplied with this x, shifted to other side, minus 6 upon 2, and x is less than minus 3. You should have the command on the tables and the integer rules, 2 1s and 3 3s. And now let's go to the second part of the question and shift 2x to other side. X minus 2x is less than 9, and minus x is less than 9. Now I need to get value of x, and x has a negative sign. In order to make x positive, I have to shift this minus sign to other side, and do not forget to reverse the direction of inequality x greater than minus 9. Now I can see that I need the values of x less than minus 3, x less than minus 3 but greater than minus 9. So x has to be greater than minus 9. X is greater than minus 9 but less than minus 3. So let's move to the solution on the number line. So one of the solution is beginning from minus 3. This is x equals to minus 3, and I need the values of x which are less than this number. So from this point, my number line will be moving towards the left hand side. So this is the portion for x less than minus 3, and the second is x greater than minus 9. So that will be starting from this point, x greater than minus 9, but we will be marking the hollow dots because these are just greater than and just less than conditions. So this is x greater than minus 9 situation. Now we can see that the portion of the lines which is overlapped by this portion, this will be the answer region for this question. Let's move to the next part that says 2x is less than equal to x plus 6 is less than 3x plus 5. Again, divide the inequality in two parts. 2x is less than equal to x plus 6, and x plus 6 is less than 3x plus 5. Shift like terms on the same side. 2x minus x is less than equal to 6, or x is less than equal to 6, and x minus 3x is less than 5 minus 6, and minus 2x is less than minus 1. Again, I need to get the value of the variable, and the variable as minus 2 multiplied with that. Shift minus 2 to other side, and it will take the form x less than 6 less than equal to 6. And when I will be shifting this minus sign to other side, I have to reverse the direction of inequality as well. X greater than 1 by 2. So the range values of x for this question will be x greater than 1 by 2 but less than equal to 6. So what I have to do is 1 by 2 is 0.5. That will be coming right in between 0 and 1. So I need the solution x greater than 1 by 2. So I'll begin from this point, and I have to move from this point towards the right hand side. So this is the solution for x greater than 1 by 2 and x less than equal to 1 by 6. Let me extend this line little more, and x less than equal to 6. My second solution will begin from this point, and I need the values of x which are less than this number. So from this point I have to move towards the left hand side. So this will be the solution for x less than equal to 6. Now we can see the portion of the number lines which is overlapped by both the lines is this portion, and this is the solution region for these two inequality conditions. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.